In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Figma to Wix Studio plugin to transfer your designs from Figma into Wix Studio. Start by opening the Figma file that contains the design you want to import into Wix Studio. Next, open the Actions menu and select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type Figma to Wix Studio and select the plugin from the results. If you haven't installed it yet, install the plugin and then click Run. Once the plugin opens, sign in to your Wix Studio account if prompted. Select the frame or design you want to export from Figma. Follow the plugin prompts to connect your Figma project with Wix Studio. After the connection is established, choose the design elements you want to transfer and start the export process. The plugin will automatically convert your Figma design and prepare it for use inside Wix Studio. Depending on the size of your project, the import may take a few moments to complete. Once finished, open Wix Studio and review the imported layout. Make any necessary adjustments to responsive settings, animations, or site functionality. And that's it. You've successfully used the Figma to Wix Studio plugin to move your design from Figma into Wix Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.